So this video is not about pros and cons, but only how to use. First, here are all the buttons you need to know on the earphone. On the right side, the volume up together with the power button. The volume down, power plug, and also there's an LED indicator around here. On the left side, there is this multifunction button. Now the most important functions: how to turn on and off. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on, 3 seconds to turn off. How to activate the Bluetooth pairing. While the earphone is off, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until you see the red and blue light blinking. Basic functions for listening to music. How to play and pause music. Single click the multifunction button. How to skip to the next song. Double click. How to go back to the previous song. Triple click. Basic functions for answering a phone call. How to answer a phone call. Single click the multifunction button when there is an incoming call. How to end a call. While on the line, single click. Some advanced functions for answering a phone call. How to reject a phone call. While there is an incoming call, press and hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds. How to hang up on the current call and pick up the incoming one. Press and hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds. How to redial. When idle, double click the multifunction button. How to mute during a phone call. Hold both the volume up and volume down for 2 seconds. How to call out voice assistant. You can press and hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds when idle. How to change EQ. While music is playing, hold both volume up and volume down for 3 seconds. How to check the battery level. When idle, single click volume up or volume down. About the LED indicator. Solid red means charging. Solid blue means charging finished. Red and blue blinking means on pairing mode. Blue blinking means there's an incoming call, which you're unable to see it because your earphone is on your ear. Red blinking means low battery. So this is it. If you don't like the way I introduce these functions, you can find the official user manual link below. Thank you, bye-bye.